Do you hear music or audiobooks? Well, whatever you hear, you might be using some devices to hear that. It could be earphones, headphones, or Embrain's true wireless Vibe Beats. Check this out. Hi friends, in this video we are going to talk about Embrain's true wireless Vibe Beats. So here we have true wireless Vibe Beats. It has a Qualcomm aptX audio technology which allow it to deliver excellent sound quality. It also has CVC 8.0 noise cancellation technology that blocks outside noise, allowing you to have disturbance-free calls. It has Bluetooth version 5.0, which means it can instantly connect it to any device which has Bluetooth. It can be played up to 5 hours and about 30 hours when recharged using charging case. The earbuds are perfect music companion for your travels. In the box we have Embrain Vibe Beats earphone along with charging case, user manual, Type-C cable to charge and earplugs. So let's check our main product closely. So from here we can connect a Type-C cable to charge the Vibe Beats. We also have a notification light which shows us the charging status of the device. These earphones are very lightweight and have a touch sensor at the back. At the bottom of the touch sensor panel there is a mic and a light which notifies once the device is connected. It has a crystal clear sound quality, and to check that, let's connect the earphone with a mobile device. Go to your Bluetooth settings, turn on your Bluetooth. In the settings of the phone, you will find a device with the name of Vibe Beats. Select it and your phone and the device will be connected. If you hear the sound from one earphone, then please try the following step, otherwise skip this part. If only one of the earbud is playing the music, the earbuds need to be reset. And for that, disconnect and forget the earbuds from your device Bluetooth list. Put them back in the case. Make sure the case should be charged. Press MFB, that is multifunctional button, on your earbuds for 8 to 10 seconds while they stay in the case. The earbuds will be reset. Now the earbuds are ready to pair with the device. To play or pause the music, tap single time on the right or left of the earphone. Or if you want to increase the volume, long tap on the right side. Or if you want to decrease the volume, long tap to the left side. If you want to hear the previous music, then double tap on the left side. And if you want to hear the next music, double tap on the right side. If you want to activate Google Assistant or Siri, triple tap on any of your earphones. To answer or disconnect the call, just single tap on any of your earphones. Or to reject the call, just long touch on any of your earphones. I hope you found this video useful and you got to know how to use Embrain Vibe Beats. If you have any different queries, then you can contact us on our customer support. We are happy to assist you.